Uroboado, uroboe, orere bisa o. Manurobo nena o, orere bisa. Urobo kokore ogbare. Uroboe, orere bisa. Obolu urobo tere na sofa jewa tioye. Edefa bere akpo ta urobo meware. Uroboe, orere bisa o, arioma. Uroboado, ikpakome migwe o. No ne na mi mono takpare. Obo eseri ne ede. Today I want to talk about days in Urobo. Ede day. Ede yena that day. Edovo one day. Odero Poli yesterday. Odero Chana tomorrow. Edejero. That is Edejero Poli day before yesterday. Edejero Chana day after tomorrow. Or Odenoto next tomorrow. None today. Udon Nero Poli 4 days ago. Udon Nero Chana 4 days time. Ediwo working days. Ediwo working days. Edeki market day. Edijana week. Ediwe Soswo Monday. Ediwe Ive Tuesday. Ediwe Ra Wednesday. Ediwe Ne Thursday. Ediwe Yoni Friday. Edijana Rotete Saturday. Edijana Rode Sunday. Megunota pare. Edijana Revule Emerame weeks in a month. Edijana Soswo first week of the month. Edijana Ive second week of the month. Edijana Era third week of the month. Edijana Rokoba last week of the month. I want to also talk about the number of months in a year. Emerawere Soswo January. Emerawe Ive February. Emerawe Ra March. Emerawe Ne April. Emerawe Iyoni May. Emerawe San June. Emerawe Igwe July. Emerawe Ere August. Emerawe Riri September. Emerawe Ikwe October. Emerawe Ikwovo November. Emerawe Ikwive, which is also known as Emerawe Okoba Rukbena December. Ukpe year. Ikpe years. Enukpena this year. Ukperochana next year. Egbukpe age or years. Okay time. Okeyena that time. Okyovo at a time or maybe. Urioke morning. Ogeruvo afternoon. Owowo evening. Aso night. Ugerebiaso midnight. Edegburioke early morning. Now I want to talk about Aroke Ve Asaredewini. Weather are where they kill fishes. That is Okyuvo dry season. Okyuvo dry season. Okyosio rainy season. Okyokwakwa winter season. Uvo sun. Opie shade. Osio rain. Ogwe flood. Okere erosion. Ame water. Urie river. Ogodo pit. Owe fish pond. Igloglo swampy area or logged areas. Uriode sea. That is here I'm going to end today's lecture. In fact, I know that you guys miss me a lot. We have more days to come. More lectures are coming. So take care of yourself and always learn how to speak Urhobo language. No dulling. Goodbye for now. Bye.